how to fix YouTube Shorts black screen problem. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to fix YouTube Shorts black screen problem. If you are having issue with the YouTube Shorts while it appears black screen, then you need to try these steps. So what you need to do is, first thing first, in order to fix it, you could try closing the application completely and then restarting it one more time. Might be able to fix the issue. If not, then what you need to do is go to the Play Store, try updating or check for an update. So you go ahead and open up your Play Store. On the search box, you want to type in YouTube and then check whether you need to update or not. You could also try disabling it for a while and this should be able to fix it as well. If not, you could also try clearing your cache as well as data. Long press on the app and then go to the app info icon, go to storage and cache, and you can also go ahead and log out and re-log into your account. That should be able to fix the issue. If nothing seems to be working out, then you could also try checking your internet connection. Sometimes poor or unstable internet connection might be another reason. So these are some of the ways to fix your black screen error with your YouTube Shorts. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.